Welcome, everybody, to this new episode of Cold Email Teardowns, where we tear down your cold emails to help your business grow. The concept is simple. You send us your cold email, and we invite a cold email expert to tear down and write it again. Today, I'm happy to welcome Tristan, co-founder of Stepword. Tristan, can you tell us a bit more about yourself and about what you do at Stepword?
Sure. So thank you for the invitation. I'm the co-founder of Stepword, a growth hacking agency specialized in outbound. Our main expertise is on LinkedIn and on scaling multi-channel outbound, because we have developed some really useful tools like Mirror Profile, a LinkedIn renting service to rent LinkedIn profile ready to use for outbound in order to scale and secure your leads. We also have developed Mirror Chat that centralize all LinkedIn messages from different accounts into one single interface. So if you want to scale your outbound on LinkedIn or emailing, you can contact me.
Okay, that sounds super interesting, how you've developed all those tools. So happy to have you as well. On today's episode, we're gonna break down a cold email sent by an outsourcing company. So the goal of today's email was to book calls with C-level executives working in e-commerce, digital marketing, health tech, service platforms, and logistics. Let's break it down and see what works and what does not. But I definitely need to say that the target is a bit wide. Let's continue checking on it, but just seeing that the target is so open, I can tell that there's things to be improved. So the subject line for this email is staffing. Hi, first name. Hope you're well. I'm Matilda, head of Europe at company, supporting SMEs in city like company to grow while keeping overhead low. And a little emoji. Are you open to a quick call this week to discuss how we can make a positive impact? Plus free R&D and insights 15 minutes, minus you find my voice annoying. Looking forward to connecting with you. Best, Matilda, signature. Okay, that was interesting. It's definitely short, but what are your first thoughts about it?
So the main thing is they do the common mistake on emailing is they speak about themselves instead of speaking about the prospect. It's really important to trigger his attention and show our interest to him. So for that, we need to speak first about him, because we know that everyone prefers to speak about ourselves than someone we don't know yet. It's inadequate personalization, or even the personalization they tried. It looks like they use personalization only to say, I have put some personalization, but city and company name doesn't bring any value in this message. So it's better to add a real personalization linked to our topic and linked to their business.
Okay.
Third point is the value proposition for the call. I like the idea to explain why taking this call will be valuable for the prospect by saying free R&D and insight during 15 minutes, because we are all interested by tips, help, or advices. We don't really like sales call, and also to have the time frame of this call so that it won't be a waste of time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, completely.
And finally, I would avoid negative language. I don't really like to use negative words like you find my voice annoying. Even if it can be a bit funny, it lets your prospect imagine something negative and push him to avoid this call. I would prefer to use a positive joke.
Okay, yeah, I definitely agree with that. It sounded a bit weird when I read it, like this is just starting not on the right foot. But okay, let's see how you would rewrite it to get more replies.
Sure. So first, the subject line, application, job title. Hello, first name. I noticed your job title position has been listed on Welcome to the Jungle for a number of weeks now. Still searching for the right fit? We recently helped same sector company place a job title, saving the CEO both time and money in the recruitment process for how to find a role. With outstaffing, you can easily delegate less critical tasks like tasks from the job offer to specialized agents and picked by you. This approach is 3 times more cost-effective than traditional hiring, and we can make it happen in under 2 weeks. I have really identified some profiles that align with your needs based on your offer. Would you like me to present them to you? There.
Okay, that's super interesting. I really like how you inserted personalization, like actual personalization. But let's hear it from you. Why do you think this works better than the first one?
Yeah. So first of all, the subject line, I think it can be a bit tricky. No one will be comfortable in this kind of subject line because I try to simulate that it's an application to the job offer to be sure that my email will be open. But right after, I show to the user his main pain point. He has not prototyped yet. This will agitate his curiosity and he will want to read more about my email. If you show that you understand your prospect and his pain point, he will be more willing to work with you. Of course, everyone likes when we understand each other. We already know that it will be easy to move forward together. Secondly, the value-adding personalization. This time we have used personalization that brings real value into our email and shows that we have natural and human approach, and we took time to write to this prospect. Also, I really took care to use only image tags that are really easy to manage with the high volume of prospects and be sure that they are available into the job offer. For instance, maybe the most tricky one is the task, but if you put the job offer into ChatGPT, for instance, you can get this task really easily.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, third point is we have concise benefits tailored for CEOs. I present all the key advantages of my offer in a short way and adapt it to a CEO in order to be sharp. And I'm addressing all the pain point mentioned at the beginning of my email regarding recruitment, duration, or the cost. And finally, my CTA should be a no-brainer for any CTO that struggles to recruit, because I show that I already have a solution for him, easy to move forward, and the question is also easy to answer. You just have to say yes, and we will be able to start a conversation.
Okay, those are really valuable insights that you can actually apply not only to this use case, but you can definitely go and use them for other use cases. Thank you so much for your insights, Tristan. If anybody out there wants their cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts, you can just fill out the form below. And of course, if you want Tristan to help you out in your outbound strategies, you can find all his information, including his LEM call, in the description. Thank you so much, Tristan. See you the next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.